Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 3.1. Given f of x is equal to ax squared plus c, f passes through the x-axis at d minus 5 and d minus 1, where d is an element of real numbers. Determine the value of d. What do we understand about this function, which is a quadratic function of this form? Right, it is symmetrical. A parabola is symmetrical. And then the axis of symmetry is the y-axis for this function. When we sketch this parabola, it will be something like this. This will be the x-intercept. Let's say this is d minus 5, for example, and then this is d minus 1. This is symmetrical, meaning that if we add these 2 points, we'll get 0. Let me give you an example. Let's say this is 5. This one is going to be negative 5, isn't it? And if you say 5 plus negative 5, you get 0. So here if you say d minus 5 plus d minus 1, we must get 0, isn't it? So that's what we use there. So we say d minus 5 plus d minus 1 is equal to 0. And then d plus d is 2d. Negative 5 minus 1 is negative 6 is equal to 0. So 2d is equal to 6. Then divide by 2 on both sides of the equation. D is equal to 3.